What is it, Miffy? What can you see?
Look, it snowed last night. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, I can build a snow bunny and make snowballs. Hooray! Woohoo!
Hold on, Miffy. You'd better put a coat on and wear a scarf. It's very cold outside.
Oh. Tweet, 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 tweet. Are you hungry? I know. I'll get you some breadcrumbs. Hello. There you are. You're welcome. Ooh. Mummy was right. It is cold. I'm glad I have my coat and scarf. But you must be cold too. Maybe I can get a coat for you.
I don't think birds wear coats. Or scarves either.
Maybe you're right. I know. You can come inside to warm up. Come on, this way. Look! This way. Welcome to my house. Oh! Hey, look out! Oh! No, stay still! No, stop! Wait! Come back! Oh no!
Miffy, what's going on?
Sorry, Mummy. I wanted the bird to be warm because it's so cold outside.
That's very sweet. But birds don't live in houses like ours, so it's scary and confusing for him. Out you go, little bird. Do you understand why I had to let him out again?
Yes, Mummy. I know what I need to do.
What are you doing now, Miffy?
I'm doing what Mummy said.
I don't remember her saying anything about leaves and twigs.
Mummy said birds find houses like ours scary and confusing. I'll make the bird feel at home by turning our house into a nest.
I'm not sure that's what Mummy meant.
Huh. Where's the most nesty place to put them? There. Oh, yes. Like that. There.
Oh, Miffy.
Look, Mummy. I'm making the house like a nest, so the bird will feel at home.
Oh, that's not what I meant at all. And now there are leaves and twigs everywhere.
Oh, sorry, Mummy. Maybe if I can't make our house into a bird's home, maybe I can make a bird's home more like our house.
What are you going to do, Miffy?
You'll see. It's a surprise, but I need Boris to help me.
Hello, Miffy.
Hello, Boris. Can you make something for me?
What do you need? A chair? A table? A wooden thing?
Can you make me a...
That's a brilliant idea. Of course I'll help you.
Yes.
I'm a heel, a polished air. you need a building, I'm your bear. I love to make things all day long.
And sometimes Boris gets it wrong.
Making things is so much fun.
Come on, Boris, get it done.
Oh.
Hello, bird. How do you like your new house?
Ah, so that's what Boris built for you.
Now the bird has a house just like mine. He'll be nice and warm and I can see him every day. Hello. Ha. Come on.
Hello, Miffy. Have you found a new friend?
Oh, yes. I'm at the farm with Daddy. Look, it's a cow. Moo, moo.
Very good, Miffy. But where's Daddy?
Daddy's over there with the chickens.
Oh, hey, no, hey, shoo, no.
Maybe you should go and help him.
Okay.
Go on, off you go. Back to your mummy.
I think the chicks like you, Daddy.
Oops. Oh, I am sorry.
Don't worry. I see my little chick's taking a shine to you.
Thank you.
Do you like my farm, Miffy?
I love it. I want to take all the animals home and be a farmer too.
Now, Miffy, these animals belong to the farmer. And where would we put them? Our garden isn't that big.
I just really wanted to be a farmer.
Well, you don't need lots of animals to be a farmer, Miffy.
I don't.
Goodness, no. Some farms just grow crops.
I could be a farmer that grows crops.
Tell you what, I might have something here to get you started.
Oh.
Don't worry, Miffy. Sometimes the biggest farms start by planting the tiniest seed.
Ooh. Thank you, Mr. Farmer. Come on, Daddy, come on. I'm going to be a farmer too.
Oh, right behind you, Miffy.
Bye now. Good luck.
It needs soft soil, lots of water, and plenty of sunshine to grow. Let's find a good spot to plant it.
How about here?
Yes, this is the perfect place for your seed. I'll dig a hole.
Wait, can I dig it? I am the farmer.
You're right. Here you are.
Thank you, Daddy.
I'll leave you to it. Happy farming!
Right. Dig, 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 I'm planting a seed. Dig, dig, dig with everything I need. Pat, pat, pat it with my hand. Pat, pat, pat and water from the can. Hello, Miffy. Hi, Miffy. Where have you been? Hi, Grunty. Hi, Melanie. I've been to the farm, and now I'm going to be a farmer too. Look, I've planted a seed. I can't see anything. Well, it takes time to grow. Come back tomorrow and you'll see. I'll have the best farm ever. Come on, you two, race you. Coming. You said your farm would be ready by now, Miffy. I still don't see anything. Come on, let's go skipping. In a minute.
What's the matter, Miffy?
My seed didn't grow. It must be broken.
No, you have to be patient. Seeds take a long time to grow big and strong.
I was patient. I waited all night. Maybe I'm not a good farmer after all.
Well, I think you should give your seed a little bit more time and maybe a little bit more water.
All right then.
There, your seed will grow now. I just know it.
Okay. Miffy! Are you coming to play, Miffy? Coming! Yes!
My goodness! What a beautiful sunflower! Oh, well done, Farmer Miffy.
Wow! How did it get so big? A little bit of time and a lot of watering. I could never grow a sunflower as big as yours, Miffy. Yes, you could. Daddy, lift me up and I'll pick some new seeds. Now it's your turn to be farmers. Wow, thanks, Miffy. Come on, Grunty, let's go and plant them. Let's go.
Well, you make a great farmer, Miffy.
So, now can I have some farm animals too? Some cows or maybe some little chicks?
Chicks? No, thank you. I think you could have a cow to look after, though. Moo! Moo!
Come on, Daddy Cow, this way.
Moo! Moo!
Hello, Miffy. Are you playing catch today?
Nope. Guess again. I'll give you a clue.
Are you playing balance the ball? Keepy uppy?
No. Do you want another clue? Melanie's going to play it with me.
I know. It's tennis.
Yes. I'm playing tennis with Melanie. Hi, Miffy. Hi, Melanie. Ready to play? Yes. Hi, Snuffy. Have you come to watch us play tennis? Oh. This is fun. Yes. No, Snuffy. We need that ball. No, Snuffy! That's not how you play tennis. Come back. Stop, Snuffy. Stop it, Snuffy. Drop it. Thank you. I know, Melanie. Let's hit 5 in a row. You start and I'll count. 1. 2. Look, Snuffy can't reach the ball. 3. Keep hitting it high, Melanie. Good idea, Miffy. 4. Oops. Uh-oh. Look up high and look down low. Where did our tennis ball go? I'll look here and you look there. Our tennis ball could be anywhere. I'm sure I'm going to find it. I think I'll find it first. What? Well, our ball's not here, and neither's Snuffy. Where is she? She ran off over there. Come on, she might have found our ball. Look, there's our tennis ball in that bush. Oh, it's not our ball. It's just a flower. Look, in that tree. Oh, it's not our ball. It's just a pear. We can't play tennis with a flower or a pear. Snuffy, there you are. We need our ball back. No, Snuffy. Let go. Oh, tennis is not a game for dogs. You spoiled our game.
You're looking glum, Miffy. What's wrong?
Melanie's not looking for the ball and Snuffy's not looking for the ball. I'll have to find it by myself.
Are you sure Snuffy wasn't trying to help? What does Snuffy like doing best?
Chasing balls. She chased our ball everywhere.
So what is Snuffy best at?
Oh! Fetching balls! Snuffy, do you know where our ball is? You do? Melanie! Snuffy knows where our ball is! Snuffy's just spoiling our game. She made us lose our ball. But Snuffy's very good at finding balls too. Go on, Snuffy, fetch. So where is our ball? Snuffy hasn't found it. I can't see it anywhere. Snuffy's trying to tell us it's here somewhere. I'm sure of it. Here it is. There. You did know where it was, Snuffy. Well done. Good, Snuffy. Come on, Snuffy. Come and play tennis with us. But, Miffy, dogs can't play tennis. Dogs can play tennis if they play it my way. Oops. No, Snuffy! You're ruining the game again. Wait and see. Oh, Snuffy's helping. Thank you, Snuffy. Good girl, Snuffy.
Miffy? What are you up to?
Looking for fairies. Snuffy's helping. Ooh.
It looks more like Snuffy wants to play fetch.
Look, it's a magic wand.
A magic wand? Are you sure?
A fairy must have dropped it. Clever, Snuffy. Watch me do magic. It must be broken.
Maybe you have to say some magic words.
You're right. I wish I was a fairy. Oh, what a thing to be. I waved my wand like magic. Oh, what a thing to see. Wow! I did magic. I made a bird happen.
Maybe it is magic after all.
I can do fairy magic. I can't wait to show my friends. Oh, I wish I had longer arms. Look, I found a magic fairy wand. A real magic fairy wand. Wow. Just looks like a stick to me. It's not. It's a magic fairy wand. What? I'll turn those yellow pears into red apples. They still look like yellow pears to me. It's broken. can't be a fairy if my wand won't work. It's a shame Miffy's wand is broken. She looks very upset. I don't think it is a magic wand, Grunty. I think it's just a stick. But I know how to cheer her up. These are red, but they're not apples. These are apples, but they're not red. Oh, it's hard to concentrate when you're hungry. They're red and they're apples. Miffy? You were right, Melanie. It's not a wand, it's just a stick. I think we should try again. But this time, say some magic words. You're right. I didn't say any magic words. No wonder it didn't work. Yes! Ooh. I wish I was a fairy. Oh, what a thing to be. I'd wave my wand like magic. Oh, what a thing to see. I did it! I'm a real fairy! Well done, Miffy. I'm going to show Mummy I can do magic. I'll turn our whole house into a big castle. Uh-oh. Now she wants to turn her house into a castle. How is she going to do that? She won't, unless we help her again. Come on. Miffy the fairy will now turn this house into a big castle. I wish I was a fairy. Oh, what a thing to be. I'd wave my wand like magic. Oh, what a thing to see. Look! I told you! It was all pretend, wasn't it? My magic fairy wand isn't magic at all. I'm sorry, Miffy. We were just trying to cheer you up. You looked so sad when your wand didn't work. You did this just to cheer me up? I've got the best friends ever. Look, I think Snuffy wants to play fetch.
Miffy, are you sad that your stick wasn't a magic wand?
No. You can have fun with sticks, even if they aren't magic, as long as you've got magic friends to help. Snuffy!
Hello, Miffy. You're in a good mood today. Where are you off to?
To my ballet lesson at Aunt Alice's house. I love dancing.
Ooh, very nice. Oh, it sounds like Aunt Alice is starting.
Ah, la la. Oh, I better hurry. Melanie! Miffy!
Ah, hello, Miffy. Just in time. Ready for your ballet lesson?
Yes, Aunt Alice.
OK, ballerinas. Let's start with a plie.
Plie means you have to bend your knees. I know.
Good try. And again. Oh, lovely plie ballerinas. Right, let's try a pirouette.
Whee!
And now I want to see skipping ballerinas.
La, 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 la.
Well done, Miffy and Melanie. Let's see if you can put all three moves together. Plie. Pirouette. Excellent. And skip.
It's Grunty!
Come on in, Grunty.
Hello. Can Miffy and Melanie come out to play, please?
Well, we've almost finished our ballet lesson. Just a few more minutes and
Oh.
Tell you what, why don't you join in? That can be fun too.
But I've never done ballet before.
Oh, don't worry, Grunty. I'm sure you'll pick it up in no time.
We'll help you. Grunty! First, we do a plie. A what? A plie. You bend your knees. I think my tummy's hungry. My tummy's hungry too. And mine.
Well, it is almost lunchtime. Why don't you two teach Grunty some more dance steps while I get lunch ready?
Yes! I know. I'll play the piano. Watch, Grunty. Whee! Careful. Don't flap your arms, Grunty. Whee! Oh, I can't do ballet like you, Miffy. Just keep trying. Let's skip like this. Now it's your turn, Grunty. Don't flap your arms this time, okay? That's funny, Grunty. You're doing a boing boing dance. Boing, 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 boing.
Oh my, what's that noise? It's stopped now.
Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing.
Oh, what a lot of boings!
We want to show you something, Aunt Alice. Now you play the piano.
Oh, well, here goes.
Yes, boing, 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 boing.
Bravo! Bravo! I've never seen anyone dance like that.
Grunty showed us. Yes. And I could show you as well, Aunt Alice. Come on. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, 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 boing.
Boing, boing,
Boing, boing, boing,
yes.
boing, boing.
boing, boing, boing,
Boing, boing, boing, boing, boing, boing, boing, boing, boing,
boing, boing.
I can see how much you love dancing, Miffy.
Yes, dancing is fun. Even dancing Grunty's way. Boing, 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 boing,
Boing, boing, boing, boing, boing, boing.
Snuffy. Oh, Snuffy. Here, Snuffy.
Hello, Miffy. Are you and Snuffy playing a game?
Yes, we're playing fetch. It's Snuffy's favourite. Where's the stick, Snuffy? Snuffy.
Looks like Snuffy's found a new favourite game.
Ooh. There are leaves everywhere today. Listen.
I don't think you can hear leaves falling, Miffy.
I know that, but you can hear them when Snuffy runs through them. Listen.
Oh, I hear it now. That scrunching noise.
Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Ooh. I have to go home now, Snuffy. It's time for lunch. Crunch, scrunch, crunch. I'm going home for lunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I'm going home for lunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, hello, Aunt Alice.
Hello, Miffy dear.
What are you doing?
I love the colour of autumn leaves, so I'm painting this tree.
I love autumn leaves too, because they go crunch, crunch, crunch.
So I hear. Well, I can't paint the sound, but I can paint their colour.
Can I see it when it's finished?
Of course, but I'll be a while yet.
OK, I'll come back after lunch. Crunch, 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 I'm coming home for lunch. Crunch, 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 I'm coming home for lunch.
Lunch isn't quite ready yet, Miffy. Why don't you play in the garden for a little bit?
OK. Whoa.
What are you going to do with those leaves, Miffy?
You know what I'm going to do. I crunched and scrunched all the way home. So now I'm going to crunch and scrunch all round the garden. Crunch, scrunch.
Oh, Miffy!
Hmm?
I just raked those up. Someone has to keep our garden neat and tidy.
Oh, sorry. They look so crunchy and scrunchy. I couldn't help it. But don't worry, Daddy. I'll rake them up again for you. Rake, rake, rake. I've got a pile to make. Rake, rake, rake. I've got a pile to make. Rake, rake, rake. I've got a pile to make.
You've got to be quick to beat the wind, or they'll blow away.
Rake, rake, rake. I've got a pile to make. Rake, rake, rake. I've got a pile to make. Rake, rake, rake. I've got a pile to make. Rake, rake, rake. I've got a pile to make.
Oh, good job, Miffy. All neat and... Snuffy!
We're not playing in the leaves now, Snuffy. We're keeping the garden neat and tidy. Like this. Thank you.
Oh, there. All done.
Not quite. I'm not letting that one get away. Oh, missed it. Oh, nearly.
Now it's time to paint your beautiful red leaves. Oh, no. I've run out of red paint.
Oh, there it is. Oh. We've been chasing this naughty leaf and now it's landed on your painting. Sorry, Aunt Alice.
Oh, that's all right, Miffy. I can't finish it anyway. I've run out of red paint.
Oh, no. You need red to paint the leaves. What if you finish your painting with real leaves, like that one?
Ah, that's a brilliant idea, Miffy. We'll make my picture into a collage with real leaves. Oh. Yes.
This is a good one. Oh, and this? It looks just like the real tree. Crunch, crunch, crunch. We're going home for lunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. We're going home for lunch.
Oh, hello, Alice. You're just in time for lunch.
Look what we made.
Oh, how beautiful. I want you to keep it, Miffy. After all, your idea saved my painting. Or should that be our collage? Can I hang it up here for you? Oh, thank you. That would be lovely. There.
Now lunchtime feels just like a picnic in the woods.
Snuffy! Oh, not again.
Hello, Miffy. Where are you off to?
Granty's house. I'm going camping in her garden. I can't wait.
Oh, how exciting.
Melanie and Granty will be there too.
So will you be camping outside all night long?
Oh, I hadn't thought of that. Will it be really dark?
Well, yes. That's what happens at night. But you won't be on your own.
You're right. I'm sure we'll have lots of fun. Bye! Hi, Poppy. Wow, is that the tent?
Hello, Miffy. Yes, it'll be lovely and cosy for you and your friends.
Hello, Granty. Hello, Melanie. Hi, Miffy. We're getting ready for our camping adventure. Yes! It's going to be so much fun. But do we have to camp outside all night? There's nothing to be scared of. It's easy, Miffy. I've camped outside loads of times. OK, if you say so.
You'll be fine, Miffy. Melanie and Grunty will be right here with you, and I'll be just inside the house.
We're going to sing songs and play games and even have a midnight feast. A midnight feast? Yes. Look. Oh, yummy. Oh, Snuffy, that's for our midnight feast.
I think Snuffy wants to go camping too.
Snuffy, that's my apple. Come back. Drop it. Snuffy.
I think Snuffy should keep that apple now she's licked it.
Oh, Snuffy. I can't wait to have our midnight feast. We should at least wait until it's dark. Oh, I suppose so.
Besides, we can't have a camping adventure without a camping song, can we? Come on, I'll teach you. We're camping in the garden all night long. We're camping in the garden, and this is our camping song. We're camping in the garden all night long. We're camping in the garden, and this is our camping song.
Yay! Camping is fun. You're it. Got you. You're
Right,
it.
girls, bedtime.
Here I come. Can't you stay with us a little bit longer, Poppy?
Oh, there isn't room in the tent for me, but this should help you get settled.
Ooh. Ooh, how pretty.
There, it'll shine on you all night long. Now, into the tent, and I'll see you in the morning.
Night, Poppy. Night-night, Poppy. Night-night, Poppy.
Sleep tight. Night-night, girls.
Time for our midnight feast! Hooray! Nom, nom, nom. Wake up, Granty. I heard something. What is it? Did you hear that? It's just an owl. Nothing to be scared of. Go back to sleep. Did you hear that? What is it? I don't know. Oh dear. It's a monster. That's not a monster. It's Snuffy. Hello, Snuffy. It's Snuffy. She came camping after all. Snuffy, that tickles. Whoa! Snuffy.
Girls, are you all right? What's going on?
We were fast asleep and then we heard noises. We thought it was a monster. But Miffy knew it was Snuffy. And then,
My, you really have had a camping adventure, haven't you?
we were having so much fun, but now the tent's broken. I suppose it's all over.
Oh, I don't think so, not yet. I've got a brilliant idea. Here you are, some chocolate milk.
Thanks, Poppy. Thank you. Thanks, Poppy. We don't want Snuffy knocking down our new tent.
Oh, she's fast asleep, just like you three should be. Oh, good night, girls.
Night-night. Night-night. I can't wait to go camping outside again. Can we do it tomorrow night, Grunty? Grunty? Melanie? Night-night, sleepyheads.
Hello, Miffy. That's a lot of stamping. Are you cross?
No. I'm keeping warm. It's very cold today.
So that's why you've got your coat on. What about the helmet? Is that to keep you warm too?
No, that's to keep me safe. I'm going go-karting with Grunty. Sorry I'm late, Miffy. Let's go. It's too hard to push it up the hill. Oh, look, the handle. We can just pull it up the hill. Great idea. We can take turns. You first. OK, but it's your turn next, Grunty. My turn. Hurry up, Grunty, it's freezing. I'm going as fast as I can. But this go-kart is heavy. And I think I know why. Nothing. Shoot. Oh, look. It's the new boy from school. Can you remember his name? Come on, Floppy. Grunty, you shouldn't call people names. But his ear is all floppy. And I can't remember his proper name. Hello, I'm Miffy. And this is Snuffy. Hello, Miffy. Hello, Snuffy. My name's Dan. Hello, Dan. And this is Grunty. Hello, Floppy. Grunty, Dan just told you his real name. It's all right. People call me that a lot. It's because of my ear. Why are you carrying your go-kart? Everyone knows it's easier if you pull them. I can't pull it. It doesn't have any wheels, see? Floppy's go-kart is broken. Grunty, his name is Dan. OK, but he's wasting his time carrying a broken go-kart. Maybe. We'll see. But have you noticed how grey the sky is? Oh, yes. What a funny colour. Why is it like that? Miffy, hurry up. I better go. See you later, Dan. Bye, Miffy. It's snowing. I love snow. Oh, why the sky is so grey. That must be how Dan knew it was going to snow. Come on, Miffy, let's go! Wait, we can't leave Dan on his own if it's snowing. We should go back and help him. Oh, okay. This is fun! Look, there he is. Hi, Dan. Miffy, Grunty, you came back. Of course we did. We thought you might need some help. Hurry up. When we get back to the top, it's my turn to drive. My turn at last. There's too much snow. The wheels are stuck. Oh, now we can't play go-karts. All our fun is ruined. Well, maybe we could play something else. Look. Ooh. So your go-kart isn't broken after all? No, just because something looks a bit different doesn't mean it's broken. Which is why this isn't a go-kart. It's a sledge! Wow! Woo! Look at him go! Woo! Pretty cool, eh? Wow! Your sledge is amazing! Can I have a go, Floppy? Grunty, that's not his name. I told you. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't think. Can I have a go, please, Dan? I'd love you to. In fact, I thought we could all have a go. 3, 2, 1, go! Whee! Wahoo! Great steering, Grunty! This is fun! That was so much fun. Thank you, Dan. Yes! Can we go sledging again, Dan? Please? Of course we can. But first, let's go inside for some chocolate milk. Chocolate milk? Yes, please. Yummy!